1.9% financing. All-wheel drive. Leather. Dual sunroofs. Trailering package. GM certified 2010 Chevrolet Traverse 2LT all-wheel drive. 5. Red JEWEL TINTCOAT gray heated leather seating. 3.6 L56 engine under the hood. 6 SPD automatic transmission. TRAILERING package cooling system heavy-duty trailer hitch. Carfax one owner. No accidents. Let's go over all the hoopla on this loaded-up red JEWEL. Power glass sunroof, W second row skylight, chrome running boards, roof rack, rear view camera system, BOSE premium sound, second row captain seating, third row 3-passenger, rear parking assist, 18 machined aluminum wheels, cruise control, 3 free months ONSTAR, 3 free months XM radio. 2 years 30,000-mile maintenance plan covers your oil changes and tire rotations for the first 2 years.